Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chris Jackson, your internet sales guy here at Bumpus Harley-Davidson of Jackson, Tennessee. Today I have this beautiful 2003 Softail Standard. It is in the vivid black 100th anniversary paint scheme. It's got the 100th anniversary badge on there with the stripe that says Harley-Davidson in there. This is a carbureted bike. Runs great. Got that good carbureted sound at idle. It's getting harder and harder to find these older bikes with the carbureted motors. It does have chrome lowers on the front end, the Harley-Davidson axle nut covers. Front tires in really good shape. It's a really good looking bike, especially for its age. Some highway pegs on the engine guard, got the flame foot peg and shifter peg there. Some few little odd and end trim pieces, like some chrome back here. Good looking seat, the sissy bar, brand new rear tire, some Vance & Hines straight pipe exhaust. I think sounds really good. Taller handlebars, some Harley grips. Yeah, really good looking, good running bike. 21,812 miles. Yeah, there's that carbureted sound. All right, if you think this could be your next bike, inquire about it here on the website or give me a call at 731-422-5508. Better yet, come see this thing in person, take it for a test ride, check out the rest of our great inventory while you're here. All right, y'all come see us.